Well, here's a video, first one of the year, and we thought we'd show you the top floor in the warehouse. So as you can see, we've got a lot of Guzzies. I'm a big fan of the later V11s Sports. I think they're a fantastic looking bike. We've got a couple of Brutale, MV Agusta Brutale 750s. We've got an R7, a Paul Smart, an 851, quite special this one, because it's the SP2 with only 10,849 kilometers. We've got an SP5 that's been repainted in yellow, big fan of yellow bikes. A couple of more are 888s there. A Tessie we're in the middle of restoring, one of two we have. Something a bit more mundane, GSX-R 1000. We have some 996 SPSs. All of these are complete. We just haven't got round to putting them together. A 998 SBR, 748 SP, a Bostrom, a Fila 99R, a couple more Guzzies, including a Skura, and 3 Magnys. Huge fan of the Magnys. We also have an HP2 Megamoto, a beautiful FZR 400RR SP, and we've got 4 RC30s here. The small headlight ones are Japanese specification bikes. This is actually a European specification bike with an endurance top fairing. They are all complete and will be sold at some time. We just haven't got round to restoring them. And of course downstairs we have Goldwing, a Megamoto, an HP2 Enduro, 2 more RC30s. And that's just a little selection of the bikes we have in stock just on this upper floor. We've got 3 upper floors in total, all full with bikes. So keep an eye on the website and keep an eye on YouTube as more stock is prepped and ready for sale. And let me know what you like the most in the video and we can show you more details of it. Personally, I'm a big Magny fan. I just think they're so cool. And probably the rarest bike we have.